In this video, I will be showing you how to create ads account on Facebook business account. First thing to do is to launch the Facebook application. Here, all you need to do is to click this ads icon here. Once you click this one, it will take you directly into this page where you can see create new ad and create started with automated ads. You have to click the second one. Now to get started, all you have to do is to click check on the small circles here. For example, do you want people to come to your business location? You can say yes or no. Do you have a website? Click yes. Next, do people buy products on your website? Click yes. And then next. Another question is, do people book appointments on your website? Click yes. And then next. Do you get leads through your website? Click yes. And next. Do you want people to contact you or not? Of course you want. So click yes and next. Now, how do you want people to contact you? Select all that apply. If you want these three options here, you can freely check all the three boxes here. At this time, I just want to be reached through Facebook Messenger. And then click next. What are some topics your audience might like? So you can just fill in any information and type any topics here and click next. Now choose up to 6 photos or videos that best represents your page. Once you're done, click next. And then that applies to your ad, click any of this. If you want social issues, elections, or politics, it's up to you. But I can click credit. Now choose your goal. Get more messages in Messenger or get more shoppers to visit your website or get more bookings. Now I need to click the first one and then click next. Here we are with building your plan. So all we have to do here is to start your plan. Now in this area, you need to think about your business and tax info. Click next to proceed. For credit card, all you have to do is to fill in the information here. And also for PayPal, all you have to do is to link your account here. Now I have an ad credit to claim. Click this one and click next. So since I chose PayPal as my payment method, so I need to fill in the information here and I need to agree and create account. Now, once you have your PayPal link to your Facebook account, always remember that billing on Facebook is determined by how you choose to pay for your ads. Once you're done with your goal and your payment method, then here you go. You're set to get started with Facebook ads. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.